Hi, welcome to Logischool. I've been feeling a bit depressed during this upgraded social distancing, so I decided to visit Dongmyo flea market yesterday. Of course, I was super cautious by wearing a mask all the time and not eating inside, something like that. I went there only on weekdays so far. It's my first time going there on Sunday. I was happily surprised there were so many sellers and items.
Broad and yeah, they do end up watching that because they have no choice. There's no language choice because when they watch the flicks, unfortunately,
I found they usually come out only on weekends. So I decided to go there only on weekends from now on. And you should too. Anyway, I got some vintage clothing. The shop named 516 was on a big sale. So all of the items were $10. Everything including bags, jackets, and belt. I'm into 랄프로렌 lately, so I got this plaid pattern jacket and this old belt. I'd like to show you how I will pair them with the clothing in my wardrobe. I wasn't a big fan of this kind of blazer, but since I saw 랄프로렌 runway, I fell in love with this classic layering style. You can see the name Hamada, maybe a brand name. This is a Japanese vintage blazer. What I love about this is nice details with pockets inside. And this green belt was $10 at 516. This brown belt was $3 at a street seller. This vintage necklace at an antique shop was $7. Condition is not bad. This wooden ornament is for my cat. $7. I'm going to hang this on the wall though. I like this bag has a hippie vibe to it and it's big enough for books and stuff. This pink sweater is from Zara Kid for age 13 to 14. It's very soft and I thought it would be great for color playing. I'm going to show you 3 styling using what I got. I'm putting on Zara satin dress and then pairing it with the Japanese vintage blazer. Cinching in the waist with the leather belt. And this warm cardigan from a small thrift shop near my place. I'm going to style them with this lace-up combat boot. Today is not that cold, like 7 degrees, so I can just step out as it is. Second outfit is with my black ruffle short skirt, and I'm going to wear the green belt this time. The third is styling with the pink Zara sweater. I put on my white shirt under the sweater. And I drew on my black Zara pants and plaid blazer I got at a vintage shop last year. All black and white with popping color of pink and adding brown neutral color would be fun, I think. That's it for today. I'm planning to make another video that 랄프로렌 inspired outfit in a few days, so please be here again. Thanks for stopping by. See you later.